project that Hamid and your builder undertook for us was, in the first instance, repiling some of our rotten piles. We have a 1920s weatherboard house, and they were looking a bit shoddy in places. And he also redid part of the front wall of the house, as well as basically making a new garage door and refitting a garage door. And inside the house, he did a new kitchen island, effectively, or peninsula. One of the problems we had is we felt that we were overcharged for one of the subcontractor bills, and what I quite liked was I felt free to tell him exactly how I felt and why he should rectify the situation. And instead of taking offence, I quite liked his approach of staying calm and explaining to us, explaining the bill and why the bill needed to be the way it was. So I appreciated the time that he took to explain it to us, and ultimately felt a lot better for that.
Yes, his subcontractors and tradesmen were very helpful, and they did the job on time and took any, always asked me if they had any problems, if there was something that needed to be changed from the original plan.
So fairly flexible, weren't they? Good.
They were very flexible, and they worked fast, and I didn't mind having them in the house.
Did they do as promised? Well, yes and no, I think, is the real answer to that, but in a good way. What Hamid originally set out to do with the underneath of our house was changed because of the additional work that they found that they needed to do as the job progressed, and he kept us informed of that, so that we could be part of the decision-making process. And he then also changed some of the other plans to try and keep it within our budget, which we appreciated. So yeah, the plan did diverge from what was originally outlined, but we were happy with that, and I think that it was a good outcome. Would we use Hamid again?
Yes, we would use Hamid again.
Would we recommend them? Yes, we would recommend them for the values that he has, which is strong communication. I think he's good at project managing. I think he's quite creative. He comes with a good team. So those things are very good. And I think he's upfront about his costs and the fact that the costs are purely an estimate, not a quote. No, like that.